thought we could consider maybe my first Canada moving vlog. I need to clarify though, because I don't actually know exactly when I'm moving to Canada, but before I move to Canada, I'm going to move home to my mum's. But I also don't know when I'm moving home to my mum's either. It's going to be sometime in the next couple of months, but I am heading back home for Christmas in 2 days. So I have 2 days to try and get myself sorted. I'm running out of time, like it's been a busy week, but I figured because I am driving up, now is the perfect opportunity to start packing things up and getting things up there that I don't need right now. So I started getting a little pile of moving things yesterday, so I'll show you what I've got. This is my little pile in front of my TV. It's thankfully not blocking off my TV, but I have these frames that mum might want to hang in the new house. I have these 4 boxes which have some shoes and accessories in them, a couple of ball gowns, more accessories, and then a couple of these fold-up bin things, and it's just stuff that I don't need right now, so that can all go home, but I need to get in and start packing some more stuff this afternoon. My first goal for this afternoon though is to actually go through some of my wardrobe and stuff, because I don't need all of my clothes. It's summer here. I will probably be out of Melbourne by the end of summer, so I'm going to take up some clothes and things that I really don't need right now. Today's video is sponsored by Evelyn. Evelyn have some incredible ethical and high quality fashion pieces, and they also have a few lifestyle pieces as well. I'm obsessed with their cozy candle. I really want to get it, and I also really want their throw rugs that they have. So if you're all about the cozy vibes, then you're going to love those, and I will have those listed in the description. I will also have a link to their gift page as well, which does have the candle and throws on it and a few other items that would make perfect gifts this Christmas. And they do have free express shipping to the United States, Canada, the UK, and Australia. And if you live in the United States, you have up until the 20th of December to be able to put in your orders so that you get things just in time for Christmas. I will have a bunch of those things listed in the description, but I also have a few pieces here that I thought I would share with you because they are just amazing. First up is this fabulous trench coat. When I saw this, I was like, I have to have it because I've been wanting one of these for so long. It's got the beautiful collar, the buttons down both sides in the black. It's a beautiful sort of like nude color, and it's also got the tie as well. Pockets, which is always a bonus, and I absolutely love it. It's a kind of like a medium weight, so I feel like maybe a spring or a fall kind of jacket, but I love it, and I'm so glad that I can finally add a trench coat to my wardrobe. When I picked out my items, I was half thinking about like summer here in Australia, but then also kind of being winter in Canada, or like at least the end of winter when hopefully I can go back. So there's a mix of pieces. So going from a coat, I actually have a bit more of a summery top, and it's this white one here that has kind of, I don't actually know what this type of neck is, where it's like split open like this. I should know because I studied fashion, but I don't know what it's called, but I like it. It also has cute little gathered sleeves, which is adorable. It's just a super lightweight top that I thought would be perfect to just throw on in summer and would keep me really cool. Next up is probably, I'm gonna say my second favorite item out of everything, and it's these white jeans. I have been wanting white jeans for so long, and these are amazing. I actually really want to get them in every color because they are such a good fit. So these are a high-waisted stretch skinny jean. They're an ankle cut, so they sit like perfectly above the ankle, and they're just so incredibly comfortable. They also have a really big range of jeans for all different body shapes and sizes, which is amazing. And what I love the most is on the back, the little Evelyn label is also in white, which I think is awesome. It just makes it all blend so nicely together. But these jeans are, like I said, my favorite, and I literally want them in every color. Okay, so going a little more on the winter side, I also got some boots, and I've been wanting boots like this for a really long time. These are the boots that I decided to get. So I guess they're a little bit like Western inspired. I don't have anything in this style. I've always wanted some. And I got these obviously with, you know, Canada in mind when I go back for winters and everything like that. They do have a very high ankle, which I really like. It's an elastic back, so you just slip them on and off. And what I absolutely love the most is the shape of the toe. I think they are fabulous, and I can't wait to wear these, but I wanted a lower heel because all of my boots have a higher heel, and I thought that these would be perfect for a bit more everyday so that they're a little more comfortable to wear around, but they are stunning. and I can't wait to wear them. I think they might be a little bit too warm for summer, but then again, I still might be able to get away with it. And the last item, which is my absolute favorite, and I have used this basically every day for the last like month and a half, is this fabulous nude tote. It is absolutely perfect. It is just a gorgeous leather tote that has a little Evelyn sort of stamp at the front here, just simple straps, and on the inside it's just an open tote. They also have like a little pocket at the back here that I can put my keys, my AirPods, and all of those like little things in. But I take this like everywhere with me. Whenever I go shopping, I put my groceries in it. When I go like clothes shopping or any other kind of shopping, rather than getting a bag off like the sales assistants, I've just put everything in here, and I love it. It's just it is probably the most worn thing in my wardrobe at the current moment, and I just can't imagine not having it in my wardrobe because it's perfect. And look at the color. This is my favorite item. I will be taking this with me back to my mom's because it will be my carry-on little luggage bag. So I'll be packing this up in today's video. So those are the few pieces that I got from Evelyn. I'm absolutely obsessed. I want more jeans, I want the candle, I want the throw rug, and I will have everything listed in the description, so make sure you guys go and check it out because I really recommend. Everything is incredibly high quality, which I love. So I'm gonna get in now and start organizing my wardrobe and picking out the different things that can go to my mum's that I don't really need for the next couple of months while I prepare to move myself over to Canada. I've put together a few pieces of clothing that I just don't see myself wearing in the next few months. Like my massive coat, like this is like a mid-winter thing. There's another coat under there too. I have a bunch of formal dresses that I just don't think I'll have any events to wear to. Like they're kind of the things that I would wear to like a wedding or something. I'm not going to any weddings, so I don't think I'll need those. I've got a beanie, probably won't need that. Also leather pants, like obviously not gonna need those in summer. And yeah, just a few items that I think I can go and store at my mum's and deal with a little bit later. I grabbed myself a moving box. Hopefully all of this fits in there, although I think I need to put this somewhere else because it's an accessory and I just don't want it to get lost with all of the clothing items. Okay, I'm making progress. Only problem is I have quite a small car, so I need to be careful about how much I fit in. I'll definitely fit all of this, but I also need my suitcase that I'm taking up, you know, temporarily. I have some Christmas stuff I need to fit in, and I think I'm gonna fit maybe 1 or 2 more boxes. I changed my mind about a couple of items, so I decided to keep these pants because I may just wear them, and then I also kept this dress because if something special pops up, then at least I have it. And then these pants are actually slightly too long for me, but I'm giving my sewing machine to my mum and it's already up there, so I thought I'll pack these in my regular suitcase, hem them, and then, although it's all hand hemming, I'm gonna have to hand hem these ones, which I could just do here. Whatever, I'm gonna give myself a Christmas project to hand hem these pants, so I'll take those in my regular suitcase. I grabbed one of my home decor boxes out of the front cupboard that I've been keeping and meaning to take back for my mum. That's just lots of decor that she can style up the place with. These are things that, like, I love them, but I'm not gonna have these shipped over to Canada when I move, so we can probably fit that in the car as well. So I'm gonna get some tape actually and box that up. I'm gonna start with what I've already boxed up. It doesn't really look like a lot, but it feels like a lot, so it's kind of nice to, I don't know, start this process. I need to go downstairs to my reception and talk to them about using my lift, and hopefully I can borrow one of their wheelie trolleys as well to be able to get this into the car. And then, yeah, we'll see what's left over. I also need to take some Christmas decorations as well, and I also have my big suitcase, my like carry bag, like the Evelyn carry bag as well, which I will pack those when I get back from doing this, but first up is just starting to pack the car. Okay, here's a start to my stuff in the lift. It's the next day and it's my last day in Melbourne, which I'm very excited about. I mean, well, my last day for a couple of weeks, but I'm very excited about it. I'm excited to go home tomorrow. I had to pack the car so fast last night or yesterday afternoon. It was ridiculous. I was on a time limit. I had about half an hour to do everything and it was getting really hot in the afternoon. So it was an effort, but the car is packed. All I have to do today is just pack my suitcase and all of the things that I plan to bring back to Melbourne. I do have a little bit of a problem. I only have 2 suitcases here with me in Melbourne. I have this giant one. I also have a really little carry-on one, and then my middle-sized one that's perfect for this kind of traveling is in Canada filled with clothes. So I have to take this giant one, and the only reason it's a bit of an issue is because on the way back I'm flying, and because it's like regional, I have a very limited amount of weight, and I'm not sure if this is gonna be okay, but I just guess I'll have to take very little with me, and I can probably fill this with some presents and stuff as well to take up. I attempted to pack. It's a pretty poor attempt, to be honest. It's very full. I'm gonna need to reevaluate all of this. It's really hard though, because even though it's summer, it does get a little cold sometimes. So I need like jeans and like some sweater things. And then I also need like summer dresses and things like that. And then I also need a whole lot of super casual clothes because I'm gonna be at home most of the time just chilling. So it's tough. So I'm gonna have to reevaluate this, but I did just put on a load of washing and it's done. When I pack some of my jewelry, I use these packaging containers that come from House of Alex. So this is one of my necklaces that I got from House of Alex, and I got another one. They're both customized, but I'll leave links in the description to them. But this is the packaging that they came in, and it's fantastic for traveling. Basically, it's like 2 thin pieces of like stretchy plastic, and it just sandwiches all of the pieces in between them, and then they don't get tangled up and they don't go anywhere because they don't move. And I just think it's the best way to like travel with jewelry. So I'm so glad that I've got these pieces. But yeah, I'll leave a link in the description to the stuff from House of Alex because this is the packaging and it's honestly amazing for traveling. In my tote bag, this is what I use for all of my digital stuff. So I've got my iPad. I have a bunch of extra cords and things, which I'm thinking I should get a pencil case for, but I actually have this really cute little sack thing that's like part of their Christmas range at Kiki K, and I thought maybe I can just put all of the cords and everything into this sack. And then I also have my laptop in its new case. I feel like I should get a matching case for my iPad as well. I actually need to go find the iPad pencil, but that's all the sort of stuff that I put in this tote bag. I just finished hanging out my washing and I've put it out on the balcony because it's really hot today, so it should dry before I have to leave, but I have to run out for lunch. Like, I'm gonna be so busy today. I can't really finish packing until like right till the end of my day, like when I get all of my toiletries and stuff. Like, I have to do that right before I go to leave. So I think I'm gonna wrap this video up here because this has just been like a super quick, I'm starting to pack up my life and it's actually way more stressful than I thought it would be, because guess what, I didn't really plan it, and when you don't plan things it gets stressful. So lesson learned, we'll definitely plan the rest of my packing when I have some time. I hope you guys have enjoyed this first part of me packing and getting ready to move my stuff to Canada. Up the top you can check out my last video. Down the bottom I'll leave a link to another one of my videos, and I'll see you in the next one.